Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to make an animated bar race chart in Power BI. First, download the custom visual from Microsoft App Source by searching for Animated Bar Chart Race and add it to your Power BI report. Next, prepare your data with 3 columns: businessman, year, and sales. Then, add the animated bar chart race visual to your report canvas. Configure the visual by dragging businessman to name, sales to value, and year to period. Once set, the chart will display the bars moving over time based on your data. Check the visualization settings to fine-tune the chart. Set top N to show the number of top entities you want. Adjust duration for the animation speed, and turn autoplay on to see the full animation. You can also hide the grid or numbers if you want a cleaner look. And that's it. Your animated bar race chart is ready to showcase trends in a dynamic way. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Power BI tutorials.